Special wedding edit is happening at Akutub Hai by KK Events, where you will find some beautiful lehenga cholis, some kurta sets, beautiful bridal sets, jewelries, amazing for this wedding season. If you want something with puja thalis, some decorative ideas for your home, we have got beautiful options available here. We have got some designer pieces with heavy handwork on three-piece suits. We have got bandhani saris.
Please do visit on 26th and 27th of November at Akuto Wear to get exclusive wedding collection. Thank you.
Some beautiful Indo-Westerns for your wedding season. If you want something in pastel tones, we have got multiple options available here in some pop-up color as well. Something in ombre. And we have got routine wear as well on cotton, on khaji silk with mirror work, some with thread work. Moving to another section where you will find some beautiful choker options if you want. Some beautiful ear cuffs. Look at this. In different designs for this wedding season. Some minimal ones. We have got this kind of earrings as well. And something like this for your neck. Some beautiful pieces we have got. These are all neck pieces available here. These are the purses perfect for gifting in this wedding season. We have got this kind of neck. And something for your weddings if you are looking for some bridal sets or some different designs, heavy neck pieces. We have got covered you. Something in pearl as well if you want something in polki as well. We have got more designs available here. You can see the different malas are available with earrings. We have got some minimal options as well like this. Some nice beautiful sets, and then we do have beautiful potlis available here. Some puja thalis, something with evil eye, something like this for bridal trousseau packing. Some return favors as well for this wedding season. You want some covers available in different designs. You want, look at this. Some mobile covers. Some more cover of all-time favorite, the all of white collection. So if you want something in chanya choli, something in floor touch gowns, some short tops, some cord set, some blouses or some dupattas, we have got everything in all of white collection. Now we have some very heavy hand worked kurta sets, sharara sets. You can see something with different cuts as well. If you want in different designs, we have got more collection available here. We have got offers as well. If you buy any 2-piece set, it is at flat 1000, and koi पण 3-piece suit kharido cho to it is at flat 1200 price. And look at this amazing place where you will find some beautiful cord set, ethnic cord set, something with the different styles in angrakha, something with the different tassels. Look at this piece, very beautiful. Yes, and we have got more options available. If you are looking for something in kundan, something in jadao, the 2-inch chokers, we have got beautiful collection. Look at this neck pieces. Are you looking for something in micro malas? These are the perfect places to visit if you want some minimal jewelry options available here. And you can also check this out. We have got some beautiful pieces. We have got this kind of dresses as well. Look at this, something in ombre. And these are the options available here. We have got dress material on khaji silk as well. Different color options available here with different designs. This kind of 3-piece suits on cotton, something with heavy work on it with different dupatta and something like this. So if you are looking something in bandhani, then we have got beautiful collection of bandhani saris. Color options you can see with different designs. Everything is on georgette. Different color options are available in bandhani saris. We have got dupattas as well. Dupatta of 2.5 meters. So you can have it on dresses, on lehengas, bandhani dupattas. Yes. So nice. And now moving another section where we have beautiful blouses, heavy handwork, customized pieces. If you want something in Indo-Western, then again we have got beautiful collection. You can see the color options available here are very nice.
Dupattas, all handwork, customized pieces. All.
Wow, and look at this.
This is lehenga,
Yes,
5,000, 6,000 ranges.
yes.
We have Indo-Westerns.
Some beautiful party wear options available here in dresses, in top and bottom set, something in this kind of one piece. Look at this. Perfect for your carnival, pool parties. We have got different options in tops, something in prints, something in one shoulder, and much more options available. Then we have mukwas with us, different kind of seeds, something in amla, variety in imli, roasted chana of more varieties, and we have got tutti frutti gems as well. So all time loved bottom wear at flat 500 and 600. We have got more than 50 options available, color options available in bottom wear. If you want to buy some printed shirts, again we have got printed shirts at flat 500 rupees. You can see the different designs of shirts available. And if you want to buy something like this cute prints, the options are available. We have got some beautiful options in clutches, in purses like this, in potlies. You can see so different potlies available at flat 200 rupees with different designs. Look at this Indo-Westerns available here, some in beautiful radiant colors. And if you want something with shrug with heavy handwork, we have options available. Look at this different cut and designs of the dresses available here. We have got more options. You can see the color options is wide range. And moving to another brand where you will have beautiful options of jewelry. If you want to style this wedding season with this kind of wrist bracelet watch, if you want to go with some anti-tarnish kadas, we have got beautiful collection. These are some statement rings available here, and these are some minimal chain pendant available. These are some routine wear earrings, this kind of earrings as well, and these are the perfect options for your routines. Moving to another brand of jewelry where you will find some beautiful collection of earrings like this. And look at this neck. In Lucknowi, we have offer of flat 200 off on any piece, whether you buy some kurti or some bottom wear, and we have got offer of flat 300 off on some selected piece, whether you want some spaghetti, some angrakha, anarkali, some long tops, some short tops, bottom wear, two-layered bottom wear, ombre. So we have got so many variety available in exclusive Lucknowi collection. Then we have a different collection of cotton tops if you want something in white, something with this kind of chicken curry work. We have got bottom wear as well. And then we have beautiful designer blouses available here. You can see the more options and designs available, more colors available in blouses.
Flared plassos.
We have got palazzos as well if you want.
And wrap round skirts.
Yes.